Hi, I'm Chandu. Yeah, I'm the proprietor of the Charms Professional Spa and Salon, 57 Journalist Colony, Jubilee Hills, road number 70. I run the last 2 years. I was running the business. It's totally maintaining like professional products, international products, and skin and hair especially. I'll do the like many stylings and especially hair and skin. I'll do more of the like film actors, Tollywood, Bollywood, and do the makeup. I'll do the skin analyzers, like our beauticians are there and the ladies they do, and the facial and skin polishing and all. So my boys they do hairstyling, and the gents I'm in doing the politicians and more of film actors, all celebrities I'll do it. So I hope that in future I'll start more like franchise, like I'm starting like Madhapur or high tech city in there. Especially the kind of skin treatments, and most of the like our specialization determines in hairstyling, because most of the actors they visit our parlors, like heroines and film stars and all. They come directors, producers, many of the Tollywoods they come to our visit our parlor. With everyone, it's mandatory nowadays. It's important for maintaining like a whole like food and shelter, the part of one of life, and the skin and hair. It's very important nowadays. Like how depend on season, climatical seasons, dry season, like rainy seasons. So every the climatical they affect the dandruff problem, like the dry and freeze. Have to be maintained all the things forever. Then it's really good for the fresh look. Very good response. Like it's a everyone, like even taking the college students to the even school boys to the there is above age of like 18 years to the 60 years, everyone is maintaining the parlor services, like you take the college students models, the many of keep visiting every day, 20 members approximately. The most of the film actors they visit our place. Yeah, I'm looking out the further after 1 year. Next year I'm planning to look out the extension my business to give more good services into like different places and all. We have the privacy rooms like cabins like massage for Swedish and aromatic reflexology and all. We have the ladies cabins and exclusive cabins, and we have the working section totally the 14 chairs. So, like most of the like usually unisex salon, the most of the people comes and get it done the haircut colors and all, whatever the hair and skin foot reflexology they get it done treatment here itself. Equipment, you have a lot of machineries has come now with the skin for anti-pigmentations and anti-dandruff for hair and facial for skin. You using so many machineries is upcoming is there. This what is the latest technology using the promoting the new all the services. Like of coming Diwali just finished, so everyone like all families together to come to my salon, all family like get it done all the services took family together, daughters, sons and sons and madams, everyone. And we are looking of the Christmas, New Year's, like so our product almost is to crowd, and really they're enjoying the our services and all. Yeah, you will please visit our parlor once, get the whole like feedback. It's in our on my our services in our salon, spa and salon, especially they treat very much like in hair and skin, especially because they're doing a lot of styling and hair and coloring and all. They take care of hair, like how the texture is there, and they suggest what kind of hairstyling and what kind of treatment is there. If not like maintain it, like it's so much have a lot of problem hair falling, so many have the like dandruff, like pollution, to how to avoid it and how to maintain the tips at the home also. You can like we explain it. It's not every time is visiting parlor, and we'll suggest the maintain tips and like homemade and all, because lot of pollution in Hyderabad. Then you have to be maintained like everyone, and the skin and hair, and it's very mandatory because a lot of like everyone facing pollution, pigments, pimples, darkening stains and sunburning. So please you have to be maintained our kind of treatments in